Hey guys, and right now we're going to do a video that we're going to called, go shut it, Dog Facts, and it's a prank call. And I have Doodle Bones with me right here because I love him so much and wish I could take him home. And we're going to call a random number, and we have written out something to say, and we're going to see how they respond. Get in the shot. Okay guys, are you ready? Call him, Reese.
I'm the caller.
It's on speaker.
Hope this works. Hello there, and welcome to Dog Facts. You have won a free subscription to Dog Facts. To cancel your subscription, say cancel now. We will call you every minute with a new dog fact. The first dog fact is apple and pear seeds contain.
They hung up. So
Butthole.
now we're gonna try a different number and see what happens. So flip to a random page.
Let's just. What about Robert and Johnny, or what about Janie?
What?
Right there. Just put a dot right there. Okay, let's try.
Let's try this. Well, we have our number block too, guys. So I mean, they're not gonna.
They can always track us down.
But they're just gonna hang up, and I highly doubt anything's gonna happen. Okay. So we're calling.
They didn't say it cancel.
They didn't say cancel, but they hung up on us. We're just gonna try somebody else. Ready?
Alright. Here we go again. Hello there, and welcome to Dog Facts. You have won a free subscription to Dog Facts. To cancel your subscription, say cancel now.
Cancel.
I'm sorry. Command not recognized. We will call you every minute with a new dog fact. Apple and pear seeds contain arsenic, which may be deadly to dogs. See you in 1 minute.
Okay, so in a minute, guys, we're gonna call them back, but we're gonna call another person now and doing the same dog fact until a minute has passed. So when it gets to 3:45 on our camera, we're calling that same lady back. That poor lady that said cancel, and then Reese said command not recognized. So this poor lady is in for it. I hope she doesn't call the police. Okay, flip to the random page. Let's do somebody close. Let's do somebody Liberty.
That ain't close.
Okay, it's not close for you. It's close for me. It's close to where I live. Do yellow pages. Let's do somebody in the yellow pages. Liberty. Okay, we're in Liberty. Okay, let's do.
How about Douglas and Lola?
Okay, we're gonna do Douglas and Lola. 843.
Did you put a dot there?
Which one right here? Where your finger is?
Yeah, I fit. No.
Above it? Yeah, okay. Okay, guys.
.92.
Okay, guys, here we go. Hello there, and welcome to Dog Facts. You have won a free subscription to Dog Facts. To cancel your subscription, say cancel now. We will call you every minute with a new dog fact. Your first dog fact is apple and pear seeds contain. They hung up.
Let's call the first person back.
Yes, we're going to call the second person. We're going to call them back and give them their second dog fact because it's been a minute. not gonna answer this time, guys. We're gonna leave a message if they have an answering machine. I don't think they have an answering machine. That really hurt my ears. Ow. Okay.
Call back.
No, just call a different person. We're gonna call a different person.
Mean people of Earth.
This is gonna be one of our longest videos because this is really hilarious. She's probably calling the cops on us right now. I still love the way she first said, cancel. Like, who the freak are you?
How about Greg and Amanda?
Okay, Greg and Amanda, how are you doing? You're about to get dog fact. Doodles? I'm calling you Doodles. I'm gonna call you Doodles. Doodles. Doodle bunch.
Don't mess up his name, he's a puppy.
What's that voicemail? You should left the voicemail.
You should stop. Okay, let's start
No, I was
again.
like,
Call has been properly delivered, but the party you are trying to reach is not accepting calls from callers who do not allow delivery of their telephone number.
oh, they're not gonna accept it because we're blocked. So find a different person. Actually, call back. No, they hung up on us. Well, no, call back that third person that we did before they speak.
They hung up on us.
I know, but so do it. Which one was it?
That one. What?
I don't know. I thought that was the one that didn't do it.
They hung up on us.
Okay.
That was you. Start with the apple pears. Alright, that was it.
This is awesome, guys.
Hello?
Dogs have sweat glands in between their paws.
I was expecting old lady.
I know. Okay. Call another person. I'm gonna do it this time. Find them.
Ray
Hello.
and Linda.
Ray and Linda, you're about to get dog fact. Did. However you said it, dog fact did. 8. Okay, star 6, 7, right?
Yeah. Can't believe she doesn't know this. Why is it a raw?
Okay, star 6, 7.
855. 6070.
That.
Yes. That's the send button.
Speaker, sorry guys.
Hello?
Hello there and welcome to Dog Facts. You have won a free subscription to Dog Facts. To cancel your subscription, say cancel now. We will call you every minute with a new dog fact. Your first dog fact is apple and pear seeds contain arsenic, which may be deadly. They hung up. Okay. Call another person.
Now,
Time to call that dude.
which dude?
The one that we called a minute ago. This one?
No, that was him.
Okay, ready? Here,
That was the one that we got the voicemail. That one ain't gonna do nothing.
What's it say 2 calls?
Because we called him twice.
Okay.
Here. Now call this one again. I think. Let's just try it.
See this one.
And act like the CEO.
I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna be British. This is gonna be funny, guys. Oh, it was those people. Okay, take that noise. Okay.
The one under that one.
Yeah, the 5 minute. Okay.
That was the one with the.
Oh, it was?
Yes, because you called it twice. This one.
Oh. Okay. Not bad.
You made that noise.
Hello?
Hello, this is the CEO of Dog Facts. I was wondering if you were enjoying your subscription.
What script?
The subscription to Dog Facts. We've been giving you facts on some dogs.
Must have wrong. I don't understand what you're talking about.
We have been calling you and asking you about some dog facts, and we've been telling you some interesting stuff about some dogs that you probably didn't know.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, we have your number in our catalog, so you have subscribed to it, and we have been calling you. We're pretty sure of that. Here's another dog fact for you. Just hang on. That one was funny. That one was really funny. Okay, guys, this is a really long video, so we're gonna go ahead and hang up. Not hang up. I'm in phone mode. Sorry.
Close off.
We're gonna go ahead and close out and upload this video for you guys to see. That was not done. Okay. Well, Rudeness here. I have a good idea. We should colorboard it. You want me to make that too?
Oh.
Okay. Colorboarding is fun. And we're gonna add a blue one. Okay. Okay. And ready?